Police are probing the shooting death of a taxi operator whose body was found slumped in a vehicle at North Patrick in Manchester on Friday morning. Relatives identified the deceased as Cleon Hines, 52, otherwise called Billy. Preliminary reports are that in the wee hours, passersby saw the vehicle parked on the main road and upon closer observation saw the man's body inside. The police were alerted and the scene cordoned off in the vicinity of Torres Street. This resulted in traffic being diverted through Newport and other routes. The taxi operator's mother said she became worried when he didn't return home last night. He didn't come in last night. I called his phones 2 times and I didn't get him. Everybody kept calling and said they are not getting him. Cecil MacDonald, the senior citizen who was charged with the murder of his wife Yvette, has died. News of his death was revealed on Thursday at the discontinuation of the case in the St. Catherine Parish Court. The 79-year-old retired butcher of Azar Lane Bogwalk, St. Catherine, reportedly suffered from multiple ailments and died last week while in police custody. A woman accused of throwing stones and destroying a section of the Ocho Rios police station in St. Anne on Friday morning has been arrested and charged. Kenisha Alicia Brown, 44, from Glendevon, St. James, was also accused of throwing stones and destroying sections of the Jamaica National Bank in Ocho Rios on 2 separate occasions. Brown has been charged with malicious destruction of property. She is to appear in St. Anne Parish Court later Friday, Observer Online was informed. It was reported that around 5 a.m., Brown, who is said to be schizophrenic, went into the Ocho Rios police station compound, picked up a concrete block and flung it into the glass panel door of the reception area. It was further reported that she then used smaller stones to break 2 other glass panels. Police on duty immediately accosted Brown and interviewed her. During the interview, she reportedly told cops that a voice in her head was telling her to kill herself and kill other people. Following investigation, Brown was fingered as the person who flung stones in the JN Bank on Sunday, November 12, 2023 and Thursday, November 16, 2023.